begin. How about once upon a time? How many times have you heard that to begin a story? Let's do something else. I got it. Here we go. Here's how to open a movie. No, I don't think so. It sounds familiar, doesn't it to you? Oh, no, not the book. How many have seen opening the book before? Close the book. We're not doing that. Here's what we're going to do. Why don't I just go back to the day things took a turn for the worse?
Run for your lives! Everyone run for cover! SOS! Mayday! Mayday! Code Red, duck and cover! You're all in danger! Run for cover! Run for your lives! Emergency! Emergency! Run for cover!
Chicken Little! What is it? What's going on?
The sky is falling! The sky is falling!
The sky is falling.
Are you crazy? No, it's true. Come with me.
No, son.
What? It happened under the old oak tree. I'm not making this up. I know it's here. There's a piece of the sky somewhere on the ground. It was shaped like that.
It looks like a stop sign?
Yes, only it doesn't say stop, and it's blue, and it has a cloud on it. And it hit me on the head, and it looked like a stop sign. Well, look, wait, what's that?
Son, is this what hit you?
Oh, no, Dad, it was definitely a piece of the sky.
Piece of the sky. It's okay, everyone.
Dad, no.
There's been like a little mistake. It was just an acorn that hit my son.
No, Dad, no.
Quiet, son. This is embarrassing enough already.
Well, what were you thinking?
Why would you put your town's safety in jeopardy?
How could you mistake a stop sign for an acorn? But it is big acorn level, Fla.
What did he say?
Big acorn level, Fla.
It was a big acorn?
It was an ape throwing coleslaw?
Big acorn level, Fla.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's just gibberish. Gibberish of an insane person.
Oh, come on, Buck. You can't win and scared us all half to death.
Well, tell you, folks, my son, you know, kids do crazy stuff.
No, Dad. It wasn't an acorn. It was a piece of the sky. Really, it was. You gotta believe me.